Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can play games with your friends on Discord without having to download anything. So you can play with them on a call or on a server. So I'm just going to go to the server here. To play a game, select start an activity and select the game you want to play. They also have these other ones. What's this? I think, oh, okay. For instance, I want to play this card game. Going to select it and I'm going to play. Well, I can't really because there's only one person, but as you can see, join game, and you'll need to wait for more players and you'll be able to play. I feel like there is another activity that I can do by myself, the like whiteboard one here. Make sure you select authorize once you've opened like a new game. And here I can draw, I can add some shapes and stuff like that. But these are just activities you can do with your friends without having to download anything. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!